Überbartools BarCheck is a pour test kit designed to improve bartender pouring and accuracy skills, saving money by reducing the overpouring of spirits. Here's how. BarCheck relies on creating muscle memory from daily bartender testing. Standing in front of the BarCheck, a bartender blind pours 4 standard liquid volumes, decided by a bar supervisor, into dual-sided metric and US ounce test tubes, measuring from 1 ml or 1/29th ounces up to 90 ml or 3 ounces. Large test tube cavities maximize rapid liquid pour-ins, using single or both hands with single or multiple water-filled bottles. Pouring funnels are not required for pour-ins. Affixed test tubes allow for rapid liquid removal to reset for the next test. Bartenders' results are recorded manually or electronically, shared with each bartender for feedback and compliance purposes. BarCheck is attractively boxed for display, supplied complete with stand, 4 tubes and instruction booklet. BarCheck, improving bartender pour accuracy.